Okay, here we have the test of the melter, and in the first video we made this device where you have the heater cables wound through the center of the melter piece, and they poke up through here, holes in the top, and that's one coil around there. And then this was the size of the orifice, and you can see it's concave top to maintain the pressure when it's melting. The orifice in there is quite small. I'll show you the new one in a minute. And this is how it fits together in here. And then we have screw holes line up to screw it in place. So you can see the screw there, one on that side and one on that side. So that's the melter that would go down into the ice like this. Okay, so the new one is right here. I'm going to go under and have a look. Right under there, the new one has a wider bore. Oh, let's get down this way. It has about an 1/8 of an inch bore in the hole now underneath, much wider, and that reduces friction, which was holding up the last one. And this is it's got it in a metal sheath that directs it down, and here's the top of the inside sheath, which holds the headpiece right there. Okay, so at the top we see got temperature probe. There's temperature probe. The electrical power cord here, coming down to the power source, happens to be a battery charger. And the other thing is this plastic tube out here, which fits down inside on top of the headpiece. You can see, where is that? Oh yeah, like in there. And that was drilled out a bit as well. So we'll turn on the temperature probe, get this lined up so we can see what's happening, then put the ice under. And the ice is pretty uneven, I don't know if you can see it, but when the melter melts the bumps, then it seals itself in a new lower level and maintains the pressure that way. So this one fits here. Can you still see that? Can't see that. Move along here. It'd be better if it was right there. Okay, I can hold it. Anyway, let's start. Oh. Let's put the power on. Power's going on. Now, power's going on to the power pack, and then onto the probe. And we got about 1 to 2 amps flowing now, maybe 2 amps. And you can see over here, temperature's going up to 40, and that's when we want to release the probe here onto the ice. Let me just do that. So we're releasing the probe onto the ice. Now you can immediately see it's melting. Temperature's about 56, and it's melting. And then we have a weight on the top, which is just this metal rod going way up there. It's about 850 grams, plus the weight of the sheath, because it's now loose on the ice. Plus that weight is about 1 kilogram. So creating a mass of 1,000 grams. So now you see it's melting a bit, it's going down. Temperature is 55. Oh, and we're now creating the liquid that's coming up here. It's going to drop out the top here. So that was in about a minute or two, and it's just the force of this, force of the weight on top, pushing on that head. It seals it down there by melting around the ice in that concave structure, and that force produces and pumps the head of water up here. And you can see it's going, this is about 3 mils per minute pace from melt water here to liquid out the top, 3 mils per minute. So that's pretty good. Now we're going to determine in the future how much pressure there is actually in here by putting a high tube up here and seeing how high the head of water can go. Okay, and so that is how the melter works. And you see the little screw there, because the screw is in the it's going underwater. Okay, and temperature's now about 48. So that goes on and on and on until this all 28 centimeter sheath can travel right down. Okay, it's still dripping. It's good. Okay.